What is your domino? You know those days or those months or those years that you have so much to do. There's 10,000 things to do in your business. Every time you finish something, it feels like 5 more things pop up. And then in your personal life, there's a whole slew of things to manage. The more people that you are responsible for, the more stuff there is to get done. And it can be overwhelming. It can send us into self-sabotage or even total shutdown. You ever had one of those days like there's so much to do? I'm doing nothing. I'm going to turn on Netflix. So what I want to help you understand is your domino. You have a domino. And what I mean by that is if you set up dominoes side by side, there's one domino that if you nail that, if you get it done, everything else is going to be impacted. And it sets off the entire row of dominoes to fall. And so I want you to think about your top domino in your business. If you did this thing well, this is me holding my domino. If you did this one domino thing well, everything else would move into place. I suspect it's around marketing and getting your work out there so you can increase your revenue. When you don't nail that domino, you're working on 50 things, but you're not moving the needle forward in the key place that you need it. The other area that we often have that should be dominoes in our business is looking at the numbers. So what's your domino in your business? If you nailed that one thing, everything else will move into place. What's your domino in your personal life? Mine happens to be bedtime. If I get that down, I can get up, be energized, get my workout in, get to work earlier. Everything else moves in place. What is your domino? Stop focusing on the 50,000 things that need to get done and get your domino done well, and watch your business and your life go to a whole new level. You've got this. I'll talk to you soon.